Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from CBSE 2012, class 10 science. In nature, aluminium is found in combined state, whereas silver and gold are found in free state. Give reason. So student, answer of this question is in reactivity series. Aluminium is more reactive than Ag, silver and Au, gold. So it found in combined state like alumina, Al2O3, 2H2O, but gold and silver are found in free state. Okay, so this is the reason that aluminium is more reactive than that of Ag and Au, and it reacts with other substances to make different combined compound. What silver and gold Au are found in free states. So this is the main reason. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel.